Oh, hello there. Bearded Wonder here. Now, one of the first videos I ever did for this platform was how to take the tail light and check the connector on the back of the 169 Panda. It was a dreadful video. Doesn't really show you anything. And now I look back on it, it's a bit, you know, and yet the question gets asked a lot. You know, you've got this, my clusters stopped working, all my lights are going mad, you know, dogs and cats getting along, rain, locusts, that type of thing. And a lot of it is because the connectors on the back of this, like so many other cars, you know, Peugeot 407, that was, you know, they catch fire. This thing, it just basically goes a bit crusty. So what I'm going to do is, this is a bit of a video to say, right, okay, this is how you sort this out. This is one of the problems you might have, because this thing is just randomly developed what it looks to be a bad earth in the back cluster. So I haven't got, like, you know, lights going everywhere and what have you. I have got it. Let me get you in on this. I'll show you now, all right? Can you see it? So when that indicator's on, you've got a draw, and we haven't got it that side. So I'm assuming that we've got a bad earth on this side, right? Let's change the game. That one's all right, see. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these clusters off, and we're going to have a look at the connectors, because that's usually what does it. Now, this couldn't be easier, to be honest with you. You've got, it looks like a bolt, you can use a screwdriver. I personally prefer to use 10mm socket on a ratchet. It's just easier, in my opinion. And one of the reasons I prefer using a socket is because I've got a machine to do it. Well, that's never a good sign. Crusty bolts. Right. Okay. So there's your connector, and there's all manner of critters running out here. So, and it's all right, because normally you can see this burnt out across the earth and everything else. The earth's all in the middle. And we're all right here. We're good. So we'll get this connector out now and have a look. I don't know whether that's focusing on that. You have got a bit of crust. Now, I was hoping to find a far worse set of circumstances. Sometimes these are just, you know, burnt. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, get this off here, just have a look, you know? Just have a look, see if we got anything else going on. Curse of the not recording. So we got this out. This bit of emery, or I think this is 240 wet and dry. We're gonna clean these up. Huh? Here's a bit of TLC, you know. Get rid of the gunk, get rid of the crispiness. This is probably the most expensive way that you can buy isopropyl alcohol, in an aerosol tin with a label contact cleaner on it. But I've got it here, so get on the floor. Right, let's plug it in and see what we got. Well, it's difficult to tell. I suppose we can only tell when we chuck it all back in together. I'll be honest with you, Fiat, I think the 4 screws in this thing is a bit of overkill. It is my second favourite kind of kill. I'm not going to put the bolts back in just yet because I want to check the other one first. See what it's like with the clustering. That looks more than alright to me. That looks like, you know, well, that looks fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the next one, clean that up, regardless of, you know, because it'll be in roughly the same condition, and we'll go from there with it. Now, for some reason, that side is always less effective. That's clean as a whistle, that one is. Plenty of spiders, but you know. Hello. It's always the driver's side that gets the worst of it, doesn't it? I'm going to call that fixed because that no longer appears to be bad. It's quite simple. It's 3 bolts, cluster out, clip off, clean the connector up. Hopefully you get it before it, you know. You could put a bit of dielectric grease on it. I tend not to worry about it, you know. You clean it up because you should every now and again anyways, you know, part of the thing with these things. But there you go, that's how you sort your clusters out and you sort that kind of bad earth out. Now you might find that the worse the problem gets, if you've got problems with, and you might even get errors on the dashboard from it. So it could help solve it. This wasn't too bad. I'm almost disappointed in a way. It wasn't worse, if you could be such a thing, but that's by the by. But that's where you go. So that's that. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you on the flip side.
It's alright, that.